William Walker Atkinson was an American attorney, publisher, businessman, writer, translator, and occult researcher, recognized under a variety of literary pseudonyms such as Theron Q. Dumont and Yogi Ramakaraka. With authorship of more than 100 books, most notably Ramakaraka, The Worldview of Indian Yogis, Mystical Christianity, Atkinson's Law of Attraction, and The Power of Thought, he significantly impacted both modern self-improvement literature and the broader field of esoteric thinking. Although certain elements of his philosophy elicited skepticism, they continue to attract people intrigued by the latent power of human consciousness and the mind's ability to shape experience. Among Atkinson's central teachings is the idea that one can develop immunity to negative or harmful thought patterns. According to him, the foremost step is to eradicate fear and anxiety, because a persistent focus on fear can trigger an unbroken chain of defeats, setbacks, and general misfortune. This warning about fear is by no means new. Many have touched on it before, yet few individuals genuinely integrate the lesson into their lives. Atkinson believed fear arises from ingrained mental habits and repeated negative suggestions from our environment, but he also taught that these patterns can be undone through diligence, persistence, and the conscious cultivation of more empowering perspectives. Another crucial point in Atkinson's work is the powerful magnetic quality of strong expectation. If you focus unwaveringly on what you want with firm faith and emotional conviction, you draw to yourself the very circumstances and helpful people who align with your goals. Conversely, worry and doubt invite precisely those outcomes you dread. He explains that the universal law of attraction operates in such a way that constant fear of something essentially attracts it, much like a strong desire would. For Atkinson, it is vital to become as adept at summoning courage as we are at switching on a light to banish darkness. An important concept is how to deal with a negative thought once it has taken root in your consciousness. Atkinson suggests that trying to obliterate harmful mental patterns purely through stern self-denial or brute force of will can be counterproductive. The simpler, more effective route is to introduce a positive, uplifting idea in place of the negative one. By focusing on "I am brave" rather than "I have no fear," you proactively install a new mental template. Merely saying, "I do not fear" still dwells on the subject of fear. Replacing it instead with a statement of courage generates a healthy and transformative mindset. Over time, your overall thought environment shifts in a beneficial direction. To truly overcome fear, Atkinson encourages training yourself in the habit of courage. This means thinking, speaking, and behaving in ways that exemplify fortitude. Make a vivid mental picture of yourself acting with calm determination in the face of adversity. The reason is straightforward. Fear undermines your resourcefulness and halts constructive action, whereas courage invites clarity, decisive planning, and purposeful steps. By embedding courage as your mental default, daily challenges begin to appear more manageable, and your capacity for resilience grows noticeably. In Atkinson's view, someone who embodies the conviction, "I can and I will," becomes a powerful magnet for personal triumph. People, possibilities, and resources naturally converge around individuals radiating confidence and decisiveness, leading onlookers to label it as good luck or fortunate coincidences. In reality, it's the consistently positive mindset that draws the right elements for success. Conversely, a mindset steeped in "I'm afraid" or "I can't" undermines your prospects from the start, often materializing as actual obstacles. Few truly successful people sustain a gloomy, defeatist outlook. Most of them have internalized the "I can and I will" principle. Fear, Atkinson claims, serves as the root of numerous other destructive emotions. Worry, envy, anger, jealousy, and even ongoing dissatisfaction. Eliminating fear often leads these additional negative states to diminish naturally. Atkinson argues that the best way to conquer fear is by depriving it of mental real estate. Shift your focus to beliefs that empower you, allowing your mind to thrive in a positive environment. This recalibration unleashes fresh reserves of insight and energy, giving you the means to tackle obstacles with newfound confidence and resourcefulness. Let courage be your guiding principle, a motto you live by. This clarity of purpose helps you uproot negative mental tendencies that drag you into self-sabotage. Remind yourself frequently of "I can" and "I will," reinforcing it through both self-talk and real-world actions. Speak with assurance, carry yourself with composure, and watch how your entire outlook on life begins to elevate. With time, these internal shifts become outwardly visible, whether that's through enhanced relationships, professional breakthroughs, or personal milestones, all achieved by living courage rather than merely pondering it. Friends, thank you for staying with us until the end. If these insights resonated with you, we invite you to subscribe for more empowering and thought-provoking content. Our collective journey of self-exploration is ongoing, and there's always room to uncover new layers of potential. By connecting here, you'll remain engaged with material that nurtures your growth and fuels your courage. Keep pressing forward, keep learning, and remember, the path to transforming our lives starts from within. Let your determination be the torch that lights your way.